If you encounter non-standard parts or installation situations during toilet replacement, stop and assess before forcing parts together. Carefully identify the toilet model and make by checking for stamps under the tank lid, inside the tank, or on the bowl for numbers and names. Then photograph the parts and the flange area so you have clear reference if you need to ask for help. Measure the rough-in distance from the finished wall to the center of the flange. Measure the flange height relative to the finished floor, and note the bolt spacing and flange condition so you can match a replacement or choose the right adapter. When seals look unusual, remove the old wax ring and inspect for a flange repair ring, offset flange, or existing gasket style, and choose either a reinforced wax ring, a wax-free gasket, or a flange extendo kit based on those findings. Use a universal toilet installation kit if bolt patterns or hardware are non-standard, because those kits include varied nuts, washers, and sleeves that let you adapt without fabricating parts. Follow manufacturer instructions when you have the model information, especially torque recommendations for tank-to-bowl bolts and seat fasteners to avoid cracks and leaks. If you encounter corroded closet bolts or a damaged flange, cut and replace only what is necessary, using a flange repair ring for small breaks or a flange replacement when the subfloor or drain pipe is compromised. Common mistakes include forcing a new toilet onto an old, uneven flange, which causes leaks and wobble. Solve this by measuring and using a flange spacer or level, and secure the flange before setting the bowl. People often reuse a compressed wax ring, which can cause poor seals. Always remove the old ring, clean the area, and install a new appropriate seal for the flange type you found. Another issue is assuming all tank bolts and gaskets are interchangeable. If you see different bolt styles or odd tank fittings, match the exact part or use a universal gasket kit, and tighten bolts incrementally and evenly to prevent cracking. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on toilet replacements and unusual installations, and lets contractors list services and respond to jobs in their area. We also host an active discussion community where we share advice, photos, and installation tips, so both homeowners and contractors can learn from each other.